What's up, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoSavage.com.
Feels like it's been a while since I made a video, but y'all just wait, I got a lot more coming. But first, let's do some Keto Savage Kitchen. Today, let's talk about the name of this video. Today, I wanted to make something a little bit different, and I wanted to make meatballs, but I'm using a special ingredient, so I was gonna make it like a superfood meatballs. And the special ingredient is liver, so I thought about making it called liver balls. That just sounds gross. So I think I'm gonna make it called super balls. So today we're making super balls. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Sounds great.
Luckily I'm on prep and I don't get to eat it.
Alright, let's make us some super balls. So to make this, you need 1 pound of 80-20 beef, 1/4 pound of beef liver, 1/2 onion, some fresh basil, and 4 tablespoons tomato pesto. And I recommend this stuff here. If that focuses. Come on, focus. Oh, there we go. That's good stuff. Alright, these ingredients break down to these macros.
1,562 calories, 118 grams of fat, 12.5 grams of carbs, and 104 grams of protein, which breaks down to 70% fat, 27% protein, and 3% carbs.
Alright, let's make this thing.
Alright, we're just going to go ahead and add all the ingredients inside of this blender.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna spice this up a little bit more. Go ahead and add some seasoning at this point. Gonna go ahead and throw some pink Himalayan salt in there. Get some electrolytes in.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna put this on the plate here, and this looks absolutely disgusting to me right now. I'm sure it'll be a lot better once it's cooked though.
Alright, y'all, right now Crystal is scooping all that pureed stuff onto a plate. We both decided this stuff looks like beef tuna is what the consistency looks like. So not so sure what's gonna happen with it, but on a positive note, you get so many nutrients and micronutrients from liver. I mean, I can't even tell you how much that stuff provides from a health perspective, you know. So we're gonna do all kinds of things here in the name of science and health and nutrition. So if this tastes great, great. If this tastes like beef tuna, then that's gross. Actually, y'all, we're changing our mind. This doesn't look like beef tuna. This looks like a big pile of cow shit.
Okay guys, so I have already sprayed our pan, and we're going to go ahead and just scoop these into little balls, and we're gonna shoot for about 16.
Alright, y'all, so we're starting to change our mind about these. They're starting to look pretty good, actually. So we made 15 pretty good sized meatballs. We're gonna stick in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes or so.
Alright guys, it's been 25 minutes. These puppies are ready to come out of the oven.
Alrighty, y'all, moment of truth. Liver meatballs. Here we go. I'm gonna break off a little piece here. Honestly, can't even taste the liver.
I was giving these a really hard time in the beginning. Like, even before we made it, I was like, that's disgusting. There's not a chance I would eat that. Gross. And now, like, smelling it and looking at them.
It smells really, really good.
I really want one.
It tastes really, really good.
This is a great way to get liver in, because I would not ever eat liver, and I really want to eat this.
This is a really good way, because like You can Google what all livers got in it, but organ meats are like on the top of the chart as far as micronutrients go. You're gonna get more micronutrients in good whole red meat than you would in vegetables and fruits. And then on the top of that chart is you got your organ meats like your livers. So I'm a fan. I'm gonna gobble up 10 of these right now. So I'll catch y'all later.